Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to hard reset Canon Pixma MG3650S. What you need is press and hold the stop button and release it after the alarm indicator blinks for 21 times. And it's ridiculous, but you need exactly 21 blinks, otherwise the printer will not reset if you miss just one. I don't know why the manufacturer tortures us like this, but that's how it is. So make sure nobody distracts you and press and count. Release. Now the power indicator is blinking, and when it stops blinking the printer is reset. And after this I also recommend you to restart the printer manually, because this printer actually has pretty outdated and buggy firmware. So if you not restart the printer after hard reset, the next setup might just fail. So power off your printer and power on back again, and then you can set up the printer from scratch when you see the glowing Wi-Fi indicator. And that's it, guys. Remember, 22 blinks won't work, so just count to 21. And if this video was helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and be awesome. Bye, guys.